The 2025 Audi Q7 may have a three-row cabin and a tall profile typical of SUVs, but its driving experience is surprisingly sporty. Built on the A6 sedan platform, the Q7 shares many of the sedan's refined driving characteristics and luxurious interior features. The 45 model is equipped with a 261 horsepower turbocharged four-cylinder engine and standard all-wheel drive. The more powerful 55 model upgrades to a 335 horsepower turbocharged V6, which boosts the Q7's performance, allowing it to reach 60 miles per hour in 5.0 seconds during our tests and increasing its towing capacity to 7,000 pounds. The interior reflects Audi's premium standards, featuring a modern design with digital displays and well-placed controls. Although the Q7 has been around since 2017, it remains fresh thanks to ongoing updates, including a 2025 facelift. Despite facing strong competition from newer models like the BMW X5, Genesis G580, and Mercedes-Benz GLE, the Audi Q7 remains a standout in the mid-size luxury SUV market and has earned a spot on our 2025 Editor's Choice list. The interior of the Audi Q7 offers a unique blend of minimalist, modern design, advanced technology, and exceptional comfort and build quality. High-quality materials and thoughtful design details define the cabin, along with well-organized controls and supportive, adjustable seats. The entry-level premium trim is well-equipped, and higher trims offer even more luxurious features. While cargo space is limited when all seats are occupied, it is competitive with other vehicles in its class. The third-row seats can be easily raised or lowered using power controls, which compensates for the less user-friendly middle row. With all seats folded, the Q7 provides ample storage space, capable of fitting 25 carry-on suitcases. The Audi Q7 is equipped with a standard 10.1-inch infotainment touchscreen, paired with a smaller 8.6-inch screen below it for climate control and vehicle settings. Opinions on the system vary, especially when it comes to using touchscreens while driving. Our team has mixed views. This new infotainment setup is also featured across Audi's lineup, including the A6, A7, and A8 sedans, as well as the Q8 SUV. Every Q7 model also includes the virtual cockpit digital display, 4G LTE Wi-Fi, and supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. For audio enthusiasts, there's the option of a Bang & Olufsen sound system, offering 23 speakers and an impressive 1920 watts of power. The 2025 Audi Q7 offers a range of engine options, combining performance with luxury. Here's an overview of the available powertrains. Engine options: 1. 45 TFSI, base model. Engine, turbocharged 2.0-liter inline 4-power, 261 horsepower. Torque, 273 pound-feet. Transmission, 8-speed automatic drive. Type, Quattro all-wheel drive. Fuel economy, approximately 18 miles per gallon city, 23 miles per gallon highway. 55 TFSI engine. Turbocharged 3.0-liter 5.6 power, 335 horsepower. Torque, 369 pound-feet. Transmission, 8-speed automatic drive. Type Quattro all-wheel drive. Fuel economy, approximately 18 miles per gallon city, 23 miles per gallon highway. 3 SQ7, performance model. Engine, twin turbocharged 4.0-liter V8 power, 500 horsepower. Torque, 568 pound-feet. Transmission, 8-speed automatic drive. Type Quattro all-wheel drive, 0 to 60 miles per hour. Acceleration, approximately 4.4 seconds. Performance and efficiency. All Q7 models are equipped with Audi's Quattro all-wheel drive system and an 8-speed automatic transmission. The V6 and V8 engines feature a mild hybrid electric vehicle MHEV system with a 48-volt lithium-ion battery, enhancing fuel efficiency and enabling coasting with the engine off at speeds between 55 and 160 kilometers per hour, 34 and 99 miles per hour. The 2025 Audi Q7 showcases a series of exterior enhancements that elevate its luxury and performance appeal. Key updates include front design, single-frame grille. The octagonal grille now features vertical inlays, adopting a teardrop shape for the standard Q7 and an L shape for the SQ7, contributing to a more imposing front profile. Lighting. All trims are equipped with standard HD matrix LED headlights, offering improved illumination and customizable light signatures. Bumpers and air intakes. Both front and rear bumpers have been subtly revised, featuring a reworked lower spoiler up front and a reshaped diffuser at the back, punctuated by new functional exhaust tips. Rear design, taillights. The Q7 introduces digital OLED rear taillights with selectable light signatures, enhancing its modern aesthetic. Exhaust tips. New exhaust tips are integrated into the rear design, complementing the vehicle's refined look. Additional features. Wheel options. A variety of new wheel designs ranging from 20 to 22 inches allow for further personalization. Color choices. 3 new metallic exterior colors are available: Saphir Gold, Ascari Blue, and Chili Red, providing additional customization options. These updates ensure that the 2025 Audi Q7 maintains its position as a leading luxury SUV, combining sophisticated design with advanced technology. The 2025 Audi Q7 is available in both the United States and Europe, with pricing varying by region, trim, and optional
but
features.
What is cool is it's got
United
these
States
daytime
pricing
running light
in the
digital
US, the
signatures
2025
and
Audi
LED
Q7 is
rear
offered in
lights,
several
and
trims.
those actually have
Q745
that, which we saw
starts
in
at
the Q8, and what that does actually moves the driver,
$61,695,
just in case they didn't
featuring a
see you. It's a nice little
turbocharged
safety feature,
2.0-liter four-cylinder engine with 261 horsepower. Q755
Now this
begins
but
at
they are kind of handy to have
$66,995,
only if you're going to put kids
equipped
in
with a
there.
turbocharged 3.0-liter V6
So
engine
this
delivering
55 TSI is
335
powered
horsepower.
by a 3-liter
SQ7,
six-cylinder
priced
turbo
from
petrol. It has 250
$91,995.
kilowatts.
This performance
This
variant
specific
boasts
model,
a
the black
500
edition,
horsepower
comes in at
twin-turbo
just
V8
1.97
engine.
million.
European
with some
pricing.
optional extras
In
that
Europe,
this car
prices
has,
vary
it's
by
up at
country and
2.1
configuration.
million, just over.
For example,
As
Belgium.
much as I hate to
The average
almost
price for a
admit it,
diesel
because
variant is approximately €83,833. Germany. Prices for the 2025 Audi Q7 start from €66,605 for the base model. United Kingdom. The starting price is around £66,605 for the Q745 TDIS line. Please note that these prices are approximate and can vary based on optional features, packages, and dealer-specific offers. For the most accurate and current pricing, it's recommended to contact local Audi dealerships or visit the official Audi websites for their respective regions.